Dr. Lisa Arthur, and I'm here to talk today about arnica. It's a homeopathic preparation that's used for any kind of trauma, swelling, pain, contusions, head trauma. If you're going into elective surgery, you can start taking it before. Homeopathy is prepared from herbs or from things from the animal world, and they're very diluted, and so the way that it works, it's almost like an energy medicine. And we have found in our office, when people have whiplashes or sprained ankles or anything that they come in with that they need some help with, if we help them along with some arnica, it takes them less time to get well, their bruising goes away more quickly. So it's a good thing to have in your medicine cabinet at home. It's a good thing to have in your medicine little pouch. You moms, when you taking around your kids, just, if you're surfing at the beach and they hit their head on their surfboard, it's a great thing to just add to that whole repertoire. Thanks for listening. Bye.